The Week 19 Tea Price Report for the period ending May 8th is sponsored by the East Africa Tea Trade Association, EATTA, owners of the Mombasa Tea Auction since 1956. Tea markets closed Week 19 with the global tea trade still operating in a disciplined, highly selective pricing environment. Across the major auction centers, buyers remained active but cautious, with quality continuing to determine realization levels more decisively than broad volume demand. In Sri Lanka, stronger competition persisted for cleaner, high-grown, well-manufactured teas, while secondary descriptions continued to encounter resistance. North India maintained a firmer tone overall, particularly for dependable liquoring teas suited to blending and export programs. Mombasa remained orderly rather than aggressive, with buyers concentrating on consistent manufacture and value. Indonesia continued trading with a tighter orthodox focus structure where smaller catalogs were amplifying quality effects. In Colombo, prices averaged $3.24 per kilo this week, up 3 cents versus the previous week. In North India, prices averaged $1.93 per kilo this week, up by 4 cents per kilo versus the last reported week. In Mombasa, prices averaged $2.23 a kilo, which was unchanged from the previous week, sale 18. In Indonesia, prices averaged $2.43 per kilogram this week, up 2 cents per kilogram versus the prior benchmark, reflecting improved support for orthodox teas and a tighter available supply. The broader market structure remained unchanged. Buyers continued to prioritize execution quality and blend reliability, while exporters remained disciplined because freight, financing, and energy costs continued to support pricing floors across the major origins. The result is a market that remains stable at the headline level, but increasingly differentiated beneath the surface. Premium manufacturers continue to maintain pricing integrity, while secondary teas face wider dispersion and more selective demand. That's the Tea Price Report for Week 19. Subscribe for free to the Tea Briz newsletter on LinkedIn for a detailed regional breakdown, 6-month trade signals, and a near-term outlook for Q2 pricing dynamics.
Produced by Adavita Studios. Connect your voice to the world.